get ready for a steamy week ahead.
Yeah, and speaking of sunscreen, we have plenty of sunshine out there, Naja, and I'm always recommending that sunblock, especially for those of you who are going to be out and about in the sun. The kids now in summer camp doing outdoor activities, you really need to protect yourself. Now, in terms of any rainfall on the way, well, we only have a 10% chance of rain here to start the week. So keep that in mind, as we're going to see about a 30% chance of rain heading into Wednesday. So as we get towards the end of the week, we're going to see about a 20% chance for a few showers, and the same goes for the weekend. So overall this week looking relatively quiet for being the rainy season, right? Because, you know, we sometimes have weeks where they can be quite soggy and a washout, but not the case this week. We will see maybe a little uptick in the rain chance on Wednesday, and temperatures are certainly climbing right now as we are already into the upper 80s. Right now, 88 in Fort Lauderdale, 87 in Miami and in Kendall. And you know, of course, we've been talking about the dog walking forecast because we have to really take into account the weather when it comes to what time we're going to take our pups out for a walk. I have a puppy myself. We have a dog named Sunny, and she, of course, when it's too hot outside, it can get a little bit oppressive. I wanted to share this adorable photo of this pup named Charlie, which of course we're going to be featuring photos of your dogs right here during the new newscast weekdays. So send them in, and temperatures are going to heat up to 90 degrees. So I would suggest walking your dog later this evening. Now you got to wait, if not tomorrow morning. So send those photos, pics at cbsmiami.com, and we'll be featuring all these adorable dogs weekdays at noon. As we take a look right now, we are mainly quiet except for a few isolated showers that have been moving across the Keys here and there. Most of those fizzling out now. There's that wind off the ocean, 10-15 miles an hour, that'll steer most of the activity inland into the west coast. Highs climb to 90 today. However, with the humidity, it'll feel like 97 in Lauderhill, 98 in Pembroke Pines, 96 in Hialeah, and 95 in Cutler Bay. It's going to feel like 99 down in Big Pine Key with the humidity. So if you're headed to the beach, a moderate risk of rip currents. Of course, it's best to be near a lifeguard. No alerts or advisories if you are going to be out on the boat. And if we look at our next weather rain tracker tomorrow, we are going to see a few showers in the morning, and then all the action will push off to the west. Hurricane season update here, and the tropics remaining quiet. No systems expected over the next 7 days. Our next Weather 7 day forecasting hot and humid with a 20% chance of rain this weekend.